Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Nkonya, aka Ndinaija, or Ndinaija for short. I have a small, this is going to be a short video, but I wanted to show a completed project, if you would call it a project, that I've been doing with my journaling cards and Erin Condren cards. The Erin Condren cards are just about the same size, albeit, squared off at the corners, but they're just about the same size as these Simply Gilded journaling cards. Now, I'm not particularly a journaling card person. Journaling card. I'm not particularly a journaling card person, but I see the benefit in them. You look at it. I think the way you use one is you look at it and you write out everything that what's on the journaling card brings to your mind, and it helps you to unload your mind. Okay, but one way that I've chosen to use these, because I'm not too fond of working with or just writing stuff based on some of the prompts, is for home decor. This is a frame set that I have at home, and I wanted to use these to have some motivational words, but shoot, after I got a couple of Erin Condren boxes, I said to myself, why don't I just use this for this frame instead? I have other picture frames that I have in my house, and you use those and see the family and whatnot, but I thought that this would be a great way to use it, so I decided to just put something together and show you guys. This one says Live Boldly, and it's from one of the Simply Gilded boxes from 2018, if I recall. These three are from Erin Condren purchases in 2018. I don't remember when this one was. This journaling card came in my most recent Simply Gilded purchase, along with these two actually. So maybe this was the October release and this was from the July pre-sale. This says every bloom has its season, and this is just so me right now. And this is from the Enchanted box. It says Stay Enchanted. So that's that. Just wanted to show you one way that you could use your journaling cards, and this is pretty easy, no stress home decor. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below in the description box. How do you use your journaling cards? And would you consider doing this? All right. Bye.